Doing a video. Yeah, I know. Red's very popular. I see a lot of red Chevelles and let's slither all over here.
You taking that one?
Yep.
I like that. That's nice.
I know, right?
Yeah.
There's a guy on YouTube. His name is Paul Shin.
Yeah.
He always takes care of his Model A's.
Oh yeah.
He's got like a few
Ooh,
bunch
I
of
like
them.
that one too. Look at the turquoise. That's pretty. It's kind of patinaed where they left part of it gray.
Mhm.
And everything is nice.
I've never seen that before.
Oh, an old truck?
Yeah, or whatever that is. Jeepers Creepers car or whatever.
That's an old truck.
What is it?
I don't know what kind of truck it is. Nathan probably would know, but I don't. I guess it's just a transport.
Maybe.
Okay.
Well then.
Ooh, that's the blue one and the black one. Those are nice.
Yeah.
We'll go to McDonald's and get something after we get down there. Just
Um,
to get you down there.
Oh, that's okay. Less calories to shed off. I don't need to add. I need to subtract.
Well, maybe since I'm getting up this early, maybe next week we can walk.
That sounds good. Same place?
Yeah, I like that place.
Me too.
Okay, let's go look at the front of it. Are you gonna take a picture of Steve?
I got it on video.
This is nice looking.
Yeah, I know.
That is a pretty color. Wow. That is very pretty. There.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that was different.
That's the same Camaro that we saw at the gas station.
Wow, somebody did a good job painting those. Look at that paint job.
Yeah, I know.
There's an Alpina.
I've actually met the owner, and we talked a little bit at the Christmas party. She
Oh,
said
that's a pretty car.
that a lot of people kind of
Oh.
tailor in
Yeah.
just to look at it. Cause this is
Get
like,
all the cars.
I'm getting it. Oh, look at that one over there.
Which one?
The pinkish.
Oh, the maroon one.
Yeah, the purplish pinkish.
That's pretty. That's a pretty one.
It sure is.
I like that color. That's pretty.
That is unusual, isn't it?
Yeah.
Moonlight Automotive. Wow.
That's nice. let me know when you got all of them.
I'll let you know.
That one came from Colorado. See, that's the basic color that they used to be.
Hmm.
Kind of bland.
Yeah.